Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys, taking a look at silver. Cautiously optimistic on silver today, looking like we are outside of this downtrend that we have been in for quite a while, since early September. And there's a possibility that we're going to see a nice solid daily trend change. So when we change an overall trend, when we're trading in a channel like this, it doesn't necessarily mean we're going to go up. It means we're just not going to be doing what we have been doing, meaning we can just go sideways, or we can go up, or we can find a new channel and start going down in a different way. All we know is something's changing and we need to be paying attention to it and be prepared to respond to those changes. So on the daily time frame, what do we need to see happen? Well, we're still in a daily downtrend, even if we just look at the action prior to 17 or following 1795. So let's go ahead and clear our charts so we can start fresh. What we need to do is see bulls close conclusively over 1795. When they do that, that will have us looking more optimistically for long-term upside potential rather than just staying in a trend like a sideways channel. So we have two levels to watch: 1795 for the bulls, 1716 for the bears. If bulls are still going to be strong, they're not going to break below 1716 because that's going to be a continuation of that daily downtrend, and we don't want to see that. What we want to see is a close over EMA 26 because that has been an issue for us for the last week or so, and then nice upside continuation. So we know what our base support is, 1716, and below that 1689. What do the bulls need to do on the 4-hour time frame to get things really moving? Well, we are still in a 4-hour downtrend. 1773 was our last 4-hour high, so bulls need to close over that level. They've got potentially a higher low here over 1716 to 1731. So as long as they stay above 1731, the hourly bulls are going to be in good shape. So we'll keep an eye on that with targets at 1773. So again, in summary, for the bulls to change the trend on the 4-hour time frame to carry weight into the daily, they need to get over 1773 and stay above 1731. On the hourly time frame, this is where we're going to see the first indications of this happening or possibly breaking. Bulls are in an hourly uptrend. They're trying to establish a base of support here right around 1753. They're having trouble at this level and they need to get things going. Once they get over 1764 or show more conclusive movement in that direction, it's going to lock in that support at 1753. If they fail to do that, the only real support we have is 1747. Below that, we've got a couple more, 1739 and 1731. So those are going to be important hourly levels. But right now, bulls need to go over that 1764 level, lock in that new higher low, and that will have us on our way to 1773 and above, showing possible strength and continuation into the daily. That's what I'd be watching for. And if I'm a bull, I would want to see those things happen before I would consider a longer term strong position in silver. If bulls can't pull that off and we start knocking out these supports, the loss of 1731 and 1716 is just going to be a continuation of this 4-hour downtrend that we are in, and would just show us resuming an overall downtrend on the daily that's just not quite fitting that trend that we had drawn for ourselves before. So when that happens, we just step back, gain some perspective, take a fresh look at things, and see what we've missed, and get ready for the next opportunity. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a fantastic night.